Breakfast, lunch, and dinner are the three important meals that we all focus on in the entire day. However, even the snacks are important, which we eat during our mid-meals or when we are hungry or low in energy in the evenings. And so it is very, very important that we focus on our snacks and ensure that we're always eating healthy. Snacks have the reputation of being junk, sugary and salty, and being loaded with trans fats and being nutritionless, empty calories. However, I would like to tell you that not all of the snacks are unhealthy, and there are many healthy snack options that are not only delicious and low in calories, but also they are easy to prepare and can be ready instantly. So stay tuned and keep watching this video, as today I'll be sharing with you all 7 healthy and low calorie snacks which I eat in a week, which are very healthy, delicious, fulfilling, and very good for good health and weight loss. And so let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome again to Lifestyle Speaks channel. My name is Dr. Surangna and I make videos related to healthy living, nutritious foods, and ways to bring inner peace for a healthier lifestyle. If you're still not subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon in the end to get latest updates from Lifestyle Speaks. To start including healthy snacks in our diet, it is first very important to understand why is that important. This is because these snacks are rich in proteins and many other nutrients, and they are low in fat, which keeps us full for a very long time period and reduces all unnecessary cravings for unhealthy food. And so here are some healthy snack options to get you started. Makhana is also known as lotus seed or fox nuts. And roasted makhana is something which is very commonly consumed in India during Navratri and other fasts, or for making sweet puddings. But do you know that other than that, roasted makhana is a very nutritional snack which is tasty, crunchy, and easy to prepare. Roasted makhana can be eaten at any time of the day to satiate our hunger pangs, and also they are very good for our health as they contain many nutritional benefits. They're also low in calories, which makes them very good for weight loss. The nutritional content found in 100 gram of makhanas is 347 calories, 9.7 gram proteins, 0.1 gram fats, 76.9 gram carbohydrates, which are mainly the good carbohydrates, and 14.5 gram fiber. Coming to the health benefits of roasted makhane, they are low in sodium, saturated fats, and cholesterol, and they are high in magnesium content, which is good for our heart health. They are rich in calcium content, which is good for our bones. They are high in potassium, which helps to regulate our blood pressure levels. They are rich in proteins, complex carbohydrates, and low in glycemic index, which helps to regulate our blood sugar levels. They are rich in fiber, which helps to promote good digestive health, and they also play a very important role in eliminating different toxins from our body. So your roasted makhanas are really very handy and they can be easily eaten on the go. Kala chana is a very popular snack which is delicious and healthy at the same time. And it can be eaten either in the boiled chana form or in the roasted chana form. The nutritional content found in 100 gram of boiled kala chana are 269 calories, 15 gram protein, 45 gram carbohydrates, 13 gram fiber, and 2 gram fat. Whereas the nutritional content found in 100 gram of roasted chana is 355 calories, 18.64 gram protein, 58.58 gram carbohydrates, 12.5 gram fiber, and 2.8 gram fat. Eating kala chana either in the boiled form or in the roasted form has many benefits. They are packed with proteins, due to which they are a very good protein-rich food for vegetarians. And also they contain good amounts of fiber, folic acid, and iron, which helps to prevent anemia and boost our energy levels. They are also low in glycemic index and contain good amounts of complex carbohydrates, which keeps our blood sugar levels in control, and that is why they are very good for diabetics. They also help to lower cholesterol levels in our body. They promote fat metabolism because they contain good amounts of resistant starch, and they also help to reduce our appetite. One thing that I would like to highlight here is that if you go to the market, you will see that roasted chana is available with its shell and without its shell. But it is best to consume the roasted chana with its shell because the shell contains good amounts of proteins and fibers, which helps us to keep us full for a long time period. Many of us have eaten and relished sweet potato many times in our life. But do you actually know that they are highly nutritious with many health benefits, making them a very healthy snack option? The nutritional content found in 100 gram of sweet potato are 90 calories, 4 gram protein, 0.3 gram fats, 20.2 gram carbohydrates, and 3.3 gram fiber. And they're also loaded with antioxidants and carotenoids such as beta carotene. The health benefits of sweet potato are: firstly, they promote gut health because they are loaded with fibers, both soluble and insoluble fibers. Secondly, they help to regulate blood pressure levels in our body, which is very good for our heart health. And thirdly, they provide anti-inflammatory properties to our body. And as they are rich in antioxidants such as anthocyanin, the consumption of sweet potatoes can prevent us from certain types of cancer, which has been corroborated by many studies. Also, as they are rich in beta carotene, they can reduce vitamin A deficiency in our body because beta carotene gets transformed to vitamin A in our liver. And this is very important for good eye health and good vision. Sweet corn is a very healthy and tasty snack option which can be eaten either in the boiled form, steamed form, or in the roasted form. And you can also make a corn bhel out of it, where you can add tomatoes, onions, and chaat masalas to your boiled and steamed corn. The nutritional content found in 1 cup of sweet corn is 177 calories, 41 gram carbohydrates, 5.4 gram proteins, 2.1 gram fat, and 4.6 gram fiber. Corn is rich in fiber and low in calories, which helps to aid in the digestion process of our body, and is also very good for Weight Watchers. They're also a good source of B vitamins and essential minerals like magnesium, zinc, copper, and iron, which is very good for our health. And they're also a rich source of antioxidants and carotenoids, which is very good for our skin. Further, it increases blood flow in our body and lowers the absorption of cholesterol levels and regulates insulin levels in our body, making it a very good snack option for diabetics and people with high cholesterol levels. When we talk about puff rice or murmura, the first thought that comes to our mind is a very delicious and tasty bhel puri. The puff rice is a very healthy snacking option which is tasty, crunchy, and filled with nutrients at the same time. Nutritional content found in 100 gram of puff rice is 402 calories, 6 gram protein, 0.5 gram fats, 90 gram carbohydrates, which are your complex carbohydrates, and 17 gram fiber. In addition, they contain 31.7 milligram iron, 25 milligram magnesium, 6 milligram calcium, and 0 milligram cholesterol. Many of us have eaten this snack many times in our life in the form of bhel puri, like I've said before. But we may not know about its health benefits. But this snack option is very healthy and has many health benefits, such as it helps to boost our body's immunity because it contains a range of minerals and antioxidants in them. They help to regulate our body's blood pressure levels because they are low in sodium, which further enhances a good cardiovascular health. And because they're light and low in calories, they're a perfect option for weight loss because they keep us full for a long time and prevent overeating. They also help to strengthen our body's bones because they're enriched with calcium and vitamin D, which promotes bone cell growth and regeneration. So your puff rice or murmura can be eaten by adding tomato, cucumber, coriander, and mint chutney to it, or also different snacks can be made out of it. Sprouts are great healthy snack options because they're low in calories and they're big nutritional powerhouses. The process of sprouting is actually known to increase the nutritional value of any legumes or grains. And there are many different types of sprouts which are present, but my personal favorite and go-to snack option is the mung bean sprouts, to which I add tomatoes, onions, chilies, and chaat masala and just relish it. And there are many health benefits of eating sprouts, which you can check out in my previous video, whose link I have put in the description box below. Nuts and seeds are great snack options which are convenient, tasty, and with a range of health benefits. They're good for digestion, they boost our brain health, and they're good for our memory. They increase energy levels in our body, they reduce the risk of heart diseases, and they're big nutritional powerhouses. However, as they're high in fat content, they must be consumed in moderate amounts for a healthy and balanced diet. Nuts which are healthy snack options are your almonds, walnuts, cashew nuts, and pistachios. And seeds which are healthy snack options are your flax seeds, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, and sesame seeds. If you want to know in more detail about the health benefits of the different seeds, you can surely check out my previous video whose link I've put in the description box below. So these are some of the healthy snack options which are tasty, convenient and better than your packaged foods and your junk foods, chips, cookies, cakes, biscuits, etc. And to stay fit and healthy, it is also very important that we focus on eating healthy snacks which are easy to prepare, convenient and mouth-watering. And these snacks which I have discussed, I personally consume them throughout the week. I hope you like this video and don't forget to give this video a like and leave your comment below. Do share this video more and more with your friends and family who want to stay healthy and fit and who want to include more of healthy snacks in their diet. Love your life and make it charismatic. See you again next time. Stay healthy, stay safe, keep smiling and keep watching Lifestyles.